Hello everyone. My name is Vaisahli Shende, Assistant Professor from Department of Computer Science and Engineering, PCE Nagpur. I am here to talk about the introduction of operating system. Mostly, this is this subject talk on the third SEM of CSE. Now, on the now outline of the presentation. So, in presentation, first we are going to look on the introduction of the operating system. Then, need of the operating system, objective, application, and syllabus contained unit-wise of the operating system. Now, about the introduction of the operating system. So, this operating system is a program which acts as an intermediary between user and the computer hardware. There are some goals of the operating system. Example, suppose without operating system, the computer cannot be used. So, with the help of operating system, computer system conveniently used. As well as computer hardware also we can use efficient manner. There are basically four components of the computer system. Inner level is the computer hardware, operating system, then system programs and users. Then why there is a need of the operating system? So operating system manage all the softwares and hardwares of the computers. Most of the time there are several different computer programs running at the same time and they are need to access the computer central processing unit, that is CPU, memory and storage. Operating system coordinate all of these to make sure that each program will get what it needs. If they want memory, so they should get memory. If they want storage, if they want CPU, so they should get all these content. Then why we study the operating system? So operating system is the most important software that runs on the computer. Without operating system we cannot use the computer system. If we want to manage, so it manage the computer memory and the processes as well as its software and the hardware. It also allow you to communicate with the computer without knowing how to speak without computer language. Without operating system, computer is useless. Now this course is about how the operating system works, how process scheduling perform, how deadlock handles, how memory management done by the operating system, and how process synchronization and cooperation perform. Now look on the objective of the operating system. So to make the computer system convenient to use in an efficient manner, to provide the user to convenient interface to use the computer system. Course description covers the classical internal algorithm and the structure of the operating system, including CPU scheduling, memory management, device management, and deadlock. To keep track of who is using these resources efficiently manner and fair sharing of resources among all the users and the programs. There are some applications of the operating system in real world. Some of the operating system gives the computer basic functions like file searching, calculator, Word, PowerPrint, Excel, among other building programs. As the result, using the computer system is the simplified. It carry out fundamental duties such as the processing input and output, managing files, memory and processes, and managing peripheral devices like disk drives and printers. There are some examples of the operating system: Apple Mac OS, Microsoft Windows, Google Android OS, Linux, and Apple iOS. There are now about the syllabus of the operating system. So we have the 5 units. First unit based on the introduction of the operating system, which includes evaluation of OS, type of OS, basic hardware support necessary for the modern operating system, services provided by OS, system programs and system calls, and operating system structures. Example, layer structure, monolithic structure, microkernel, then disk space management and space allocation strategy, disk arm scheduling algorithm. Second unit contain the process scheduling. Then in that process concept, process control block, type of scheduler, context switch, what is thread, multi-threading model, goals of the scheduling, and different scheduling algorithm. Example from Windows 2000 and Linux. Third unit based on the memory management. In that, the contiguous allocation, reallocation, paging means what, segmentation, segmentation with paging, demand paging, page fault, and instruction restart, page replacement algorithm, working set, locality, thrashing, and garbage collection. Fourth unit is based on process cooperation and synchronization. In this, how to process cooperate with each other and how to synchronize between the different processes, different running processes. This these contain concurrency condition, critical section problem, software and hardware solution, semaphore, conditional critical region, and monitors, and classical inter-process communication problem. Fourth unit contain file system. In that, how to store file in the operating system and how to protect the different processes from the deadlock. So in file system, the syllabus based on file concept, accepts method, directory structure, recovery, log structure, file system, deadlock, and protection. Protection includes deadlock characterization, prevention, how to avoid the deadlock, how to detect, and if system get fails in the deadlock, then how to recover from that particular deadlock, goals of the protection, access matrix, implementation, and security problem. We have some course outcomes based on the unit syllabus of the operating system. So first outcome, it is based on the operating system. So first outcome is explain the basic concept of operating system. Second, CO, that is course outcome, that students should get understand the process management policies and scheduling algorithm. CO3, design the various memory management technique. CO4, analyze the process synchronization technique. And CO5, understand file concept, evaluate the deadlock detection and prevention mechanism. So these all the course outcome is based on the syllabus of the operating system. Now, there are some textbook which is referred in this for this particular subject. So first one is the operating system concept by Silberchart, Galvin, and second one is the modern operating system by Andrew Tannenbaum, and third one is the operating system, which is from A. Godbole, and operating system by Dandere. Thank you.